Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unexpected WSL error in your Docker desktop. Let's begin. First, I want you to go over here on your Windows Start menu. Okay. Click on it, and you're going to type Windows PowerShell or just PowerShell. Now, I want you to right click and then choose Run as the admin, or you can click over here, Run as the admin, right? Either way will work. Next, once your PowerShell is opened, we're going to type a specific command. So we're going to make some changes and update this. That's why it's very important to run this as the admin. So WSL space dash dash update. So just make sure to follow this format correctly and then press enter. It should show up like this. And once done, you can now close PowerShell. And pretty much that's the only thing you need to do. That's it, you're done. By updating your PowerShell, this means that it's going to make sure that all communications will run smoothly and avoid any potential errors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.